Good afternoon. Just check voice is audible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Today I have given this problem. Have you solved?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
What we were supposed to find in this?
And
Reaction A and B, no?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pratik, what is your roll number? Pratik, 61.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer? Your answer for RA and RB?
RA.
Hmm?
Sir, RB 3.88.
RB. You are telling RB.
Huh.
RB.
3.88.
3.88. What is RA?
RA 10.60.
10.60. 0. 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. I will ask once again. Akash, 58. Akash. Akash Jalte. Akash.
Hello, sir.
What is your answer? RA and RB?
Same, sir.
Same?
Hmm.
Okay, what is your value of RAH? Akash? RAH, we might have found not RA.
8.66 Newton, sir.
Hmm?
8.66
What?
Newton.
8.66 what? RH. Okay, I think you
Sir,
have
RAH
answered.
is equal to 8.66 Newton.
Okay, good. RA 8.66. Very good. Let me see. Which was it? Roll number 20. Which was it?
Yes, sir. I am solved, but चुकलंय sir थोडं.
What happened?
चुकलंय.
चुकलंय. काय झालं?
RH चुकलाय वरचा.
जर कॅमेरा चालू करा बरं तुमचा. करा बरं चालू. Okay, you can stop. No issue. Stop it. Maybe there may be some calculation mistake. Is it necessary to solve one?
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Sir, voice is not audible.
Am I audible?
No, sir. No, sir.
Hello?
No, sir. No, sir.
Am I audible?
Sir, network issue असेल, glitch होतोय sir.
हॅलो हॅलो
Yes, sir.
sir.
हा आवाज येतोय
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
प्रॉब्लेम जस्ट वेट
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There may be poor network at my end. Okay. I think problem was very simple. We have not necessary to solve. What was the value of RAH, RAV? How much you got? RAV?
6.12 kilo.
0.12
kilonewton.
0.12.
6.12. Okay. Very simple. So from this you can find R. So just you have to apply summation f x, summation fy. I think all of you might have solved. If not, you try. If you are facing problem, we will discuss. Next one. Next question I have given. I will ask to Rahul, roll number 40.
Yes,
What
sir.
what is your answer? For
R RA equal to 77.61.
77.61 kilonewton.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
RB
45 kilonewton.
45 kilonewton. Okay, just I will check. 77, 45 and 70. Very good. Both are correct. Good. Such type of response I want. Okay. Good. Anybody has faced a problem in this while solving this problem? कोणाला प्रॉब्लेम आलाय का किंवा काय समजलं मॅथ्स कोण आहे का? Only two forces were there. That to be a point load. Out of one, which was inclined one was vertical. There is no question. Is it okay? On 27th January, I have taken one of the lecture. Okay, in which I have explained that things, which is that just I will go back because I got call from 2-3 students that lecture is not visible. Maybe the reason that it was deleted from other PC. Backup is not there. That's why it is the case. So what we have seen on that 27th January, we have seen these types of beam. With the screen is I'm changing the screen. Just check types of support and types of load. Three things only we have to see while solving the problems of beams and up to beams syllabus will be there for ISC. Okay, in semester exam. So you might have got the notice related to in semester exam. So what is the structure of in semester exam? So what the way unit test was conducted in MCQ way. So ISC will not be conducted in the MCQ manner. So what will be done? A question paper will be sent on your group, Telegram group, and you will be supposed to write either in your notebook or on loose pages, whatever. Then you have to scan it by good quality camera, maybe some cam scanner, etc. Then you have to upload on given link. So it will be descriptive, means whatever we are learning. So don't be think that university exam will be multiple choice question, etc. It may not be, but we feel looking to the scenario. Once now we have started practice to take in semester exam as a descriptive. It may be the reason that our exam may not be, we can say, MCQ, something like this. Okay. These three things we have discussed. The types of beam. Before that, we have seen what is beam. So we can see what is beam. There are 5 types of beam. Simply supported. Quickly, I will revise because that lecture is not visible. I have taught on that day types of beam, types of support, and types of loads. Those who are missed, just give attention. There are 5 types of beam. Simply supported beam. Why it is called simply supported? Because it is simply supports are given at the end, something like this. At the end, that's what is called as simply supported. And you have to remember in this, if one of the support is roller, other will be hinged one. In that way, you can remember if one of the roller then other will be hinged one. Then fixed support. So earlier it may go or it may tilt. We can say we rotate simple support. But in this fixed support, there is no question of beam will rotate, move, etc. Nothing. That's what is called as fixed end, and that it is shown what the way vertical line and some other line. Then overhanging beam. Overhanging beam. Why it is called overhanging? लोंबकळता म्हणतो आपण in Marathi. Overhanging beam is available or beam is there. Beam is present beyond the support. Beam is present beyond the support. That's why it is called as overhanging beam. That's why it is called as overhanging beam. Then continuous beam. Why it is called continuous beam? Anybody is remembering why we are going to call it as a continuous beam?
More than two to power.
Then two supports.
More than two supports. More than two supports. That's why it is called as continuous beam. Okay. Then cantilever beam. What is cantilever beam? What is cantilever beam?
Support at only one end.
Supported only at one point.
Support at only one end. Neither it will rotate, neither it will displace. So that is the specialty of this. Okay, that is called as cantilever beam. Next one is types of supports. Next one is types of supports. What is that? Types of support. How many are there?
Four.
Four support. Means whatever beam will be there, whatever beam will be there. So what the way we want to give support to that? What the way we want to give support to that? So what will be that? Simple support. Simply it is kept. Means there will be one. Suppose just people take we can say as a beam. So there is a support. We can say just it is kept. फक्त ठेवलेला आहे त्याच्यावर. Just it is kept. That's why the name itself is saying as a simple support. Name itself is saying as a simple support. Okay. Then roller support. Roller means what the way. Suppose on railway track you are observing passengers are just pulling the back. Okay. Roller support something that. So we can it can move. Okay, or it can displace that support. Though it is kept on it, it can we can say move something like that. Hinged support. Door, example of door I have given. So door can rotate something like this. If it is a door, it can rotate something like this. It can rotate something like this, but it can't move in this way, horizontal way or vertical way. So that is hinged support. Next one is fixed. So what it will do? Neither it will move nor it will display. That is called as fixed support. Neither it will move here and there, neither it will rotate. That's why two reactions plus one moment will be there at this point. And hinged support, two. One is horizontal, one is vertical. And for simple and roller, there will be one each reaction will be there. So in simply supported beam, yesterday I have told, if one of the support is roller, which will be other one?
Hinged.
Hinged. This you remember, huh? In sometimes supports are not shown in the diagram, but it is told that beam AB is simply supported beam. So immediately you have to remember if one will be a roller, other will be hinged. If it is given in description. So we have seen types of beam, types of support, and these types of load. Very simple. How many types of loads we have seen?
Three.
Three types are there. Which are they? Point load. Means it is a force. Point load is nothing but force. Simply force. It is applied at one point. That's why it is called as point load. Then uniformly distributed load and uniformly varying load. Uniformly distributed load over the length. Over the certain length, this particular load is uniform. Means with the length, it is not going to change. That's why it is called as uniformly distributed or uniform distributed load. How to calculate intensity of uniform distributed load? How to calculate how much load is there? So here we can see here.
Distributed load into length.
So here W load is there. See here W load is there. W Newton per meter for the length of L. So what will be the point load conversion? How much load will be there? Here,
W into L.
yes, very good. W into L, and where it will be there? Something like in between,
At the middle.
at the middle. W into L. In this way, it will be intensity. Intensity of that load will be something like that. W per meter. So how we can give? How we can show? In this way, W into L. In this way we can show. Okay. Next one is uniformly varying load. By what way it is shown uniformly varying load? With the help of which type of triangle?
Right angled
Right
triangle.
angle.
triangle.
Right angled triangle. But as it is a uniformly varying load, once we are going to convert it into point load, how to show it? How to first how to find its intensity or total weight of that?
By area of right
Area.
angled triangle.
By the area of, now in this case W is the, we can say, this height of that triangle, and here we can say base L, or vice versa. What will be the total load for this?
Half into W into L.
In this case it will be half into W into L. This will be the load. But where we have to show? Is it we have to show at the middle like our uniformly distributed load,
No.
or some? Then where we have to show this?
From apex at a 2/3 of length.
Very good. From the apex we have to show at 2/3 length, means here somewhere. Suppose this load is here, maybe somewhere here, something like this. In this way, in Marathi yesterday I have told how to remember this. So kakodun 2/3. Automatically from the base it will come 1/3. So kakodun 2/3 किंवा base कडून 1/3. Addition of both will come L, something like this. Or here we can say L, 2/3 L or 1/3 L from the base. In this way also you can show. In this way, so that we have discussed on that 27th January lecture. Unfortunately it is not visible. I also seen, because its backup is not available. That is the problem. That the things we have seen on that day. So up to this types of beam, not up to this, whatever I am going to teach today and tomorrow, that will be the syllabus for ISC 1. Be ready, there will be descriptive problems. Be ready. So this problem yesterday I have given. It's good thing I have asked randomly those who have solved. If not, once again you have to try. Afterwards, if you are facing problem, I will tell. Next one, write down today's problem. It is not possible. Okay, who will read problem statement? Rohan, 37, will you read problem statement?
Yes, sir. A simply supported beam of a 6-meter span has subjected to loading as shown in the following figure. Calculate the reaction at the supports.
Calculate the reactions at the support. Very simple problem. Which type of loads are given, Rohan, in this? Before that, what is the span of this beam? Span means total length. You remember this word, huh? So here it is given. This here it is given. What is the total length of beam? That is span. Very simple. How much it is, Rohan?
Yes, sir.
How much length is given? Which type of loads are there? Which type of supports are there? Is it possible for you to tell which type of loads are there on this beam? लोड्स कुठल्या टाइपचे सांगू शकताय का तुम्ही या बीम साठी? Rohan, either say yes or no. If you are knowing, say yes. If not, say no.
No, sir.
Okay. No issue.
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Next one. Hmm. Onkar, 39. Onkar, Onkar Mane. Who is Onkar Mane? Okay. Rahul,
Yes, sir.
how many reactions will be there at point A?
2 reaction
Why?
because hinged supports.
Okay, very good. Which type of loads are there on this beam?
Uniform bearing load.
Very sure. Are you
Yeah.
sure? Uniformly varying load. Are you sure?
Sorry, sir. Uniform distributed load.
Okay. And which type of other load? Hmm? Uniformly distributed. Okay. What is its intensity
180
per meter?
Newton.
Okay. Total you have told. Very good. And where we have to show that total?
At the
From
middle.
at what distance? At the middle, or from how much distance from point A?
3 meter.
3. The total span is 3, no? Then at what, where we have to show from point A? A पासून किती अंतरावर दाखवायचा तो? 1.5.
Yes, sir.
And what about this 50 Newton?
50 sin 30 verticals.
Okay, very good. 50
sin 30.
50 sin 30. And what will be horizontal?
50 cos 30.
50 cos 30. Okay. And what, at what point it will be? From here it is given as how much? 2 meter.
Yes, sir.
And what will be in between this distance? हे किती राहिलं मग?
2.5.
Very good. 2.5. Very good. What we are supposed to find here?
Reaction RA and RB.
So we are supposed to find RA and RB. Okay. So shall I give 5 minutes, or shall we solve together?
We
Shall I
will
give 5
solve,
minutes?
sir.
Okay. Take 5 to 10 minutes and solve this. Let me know. I am going to ask random. Anyone. Take your time. 5 to 10 minutes. I have almost did initial half. Okay. Beginning. So just you have to apply the conditions of equilibrium, and finally you have to tell me the values of RA and RB. Start it. Start and let me know. Is it over? Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All values you have find?
Sir, resultant राहिले just wait.
Okay. Take your time, 1 or 2 minutes. Over? Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nihal, rule number 42. Nihal,
Yes, sir.
what is your answer? RAH, horizontal component of A reaction.
43.30 Newton.
40.
3.30
Huh.
Newton.
Any other? Is it correct? Others also please reply. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it correct? Okay. After applying summation apply, what is here addition RAV, vertical component of reaction A and R here. What is the what is the addition here?
205.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Same.
sir.
205.
Sir.
Okay. After applying summation of moment due to all the forces at point A, what is the value of RB?
5.41.
Why I have written here 0?
हॅलो सर
हा.
इथं
3.6.
3.5 घेतला आपण 50 sin 30 into 3.5.
सर 4 मीटर येते लेंथ ती.
हा सर
Yes,
4
sir.
मीटर
4
यायला
meter.
पाहिजे सर.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
हा, sir.
okay. Here,
येस सर.
here, no? Okay. 4. Yes, correct. It will be 4. Yes, 4. And what is the value of RB here?
61.66.
61.66. हा, sir. 61.66.
61.66 Newton. And the final, what is the value of RA by considering y component and x component? Sorry, y component and x component.
149.73.
149.73.
73.
Others, please reply. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. 149.73. Okay. Good. Any problem? Very simple. UDL and 1 point load was there, and beam was simply supported. So there is no question. Such problems will be there for IAC 1. So there is no question. Earlier I thought that it will be multiple choice question, but there is no question. It is descriptive. So time will be given for you. Don't worry. So you have to solve on your own. If I will found certain duplicates. So it was my experience, not with first year, but with it is with higher classes like second year, third year, final year. Editing. Students are very master in editing. Take the one of only one student is writing from the class, maybe I feel, and changing the roll number. So 20 marks will be distributed to whole class. So I was did in one of the semester like this. If you will copy paste, I will also copy paste. Suppose two students are did copy paste, same answer sheet they have sent. Suppose so 20 marks will be given to both. Means 20. So you have to divide then 10, 10, 10 mark each. Likewise, it should not happen. Okay. So shall I give one more problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us see which is next. Okay, who will read of this problem? A little, we can say, a little change. Otherwise, it is same. Don't worry. Supriya, will you read this problem statement, rule number 2?
Yes, sir.
Will you read this?
Yes, sir. A simply supported beam of the 6 meter span has subjected to loading shown in following figure. Calculate the reactions at support.
Okay. We have to find which type of supports are there, Supriya.
Simple and hinged.
Simple and hinged. Very good. See first, then tell. See the beam carefully. Which type of support you know? Please tell first. Hmm? सुप्रिया कुठले कुठले सपोर्ट माहित आहेत तुम्हाला सांगा बरं. मी तुम्हाला रोलर दिसतेत का इथं रोलर बघा जरा इथं असे. आर यू ऑब्झर्विंग
Yes,
दॅट
sir. Yes, sir.
समथिंग लाईक wheel structure? So it is a roller support. One at the B there is a roller support, and which type of support will be there then at point A?
Hinged.
It will be hinged. It is as simple as this. But what is the change in this problem? The problem मध्ये change काय आहे हो? कोण सांगताय?
60-degree inclined.
Roller support हा inclined आहे.
Roller support is inclined one. That is only change in this problem. That is not big deal, but we can say a little change. It is a little change. So let us draw a free body diagram of this first. So what is total length of this beam?
6 meters.
6 meter.
6 meters. Okay. Let us first show the reactions at point A. There will be two reactions. One is horizontal, one is vertical. That I have shown. Next one is 60 kilonewton force is how it is inclined at 60 degrees. So it's for a vertical component. It is necessary to take its vertical component 60 sin 60. Sorry, 60. Yes, 60 sin 60, and this 60 cos 60. Then पारखे सर जाऊया 1 मिनिट चार्लस 5 मिनिट जा हा नेक्स्ट होईल 80 किलो न्यूटन फोर्स at what angle it is inclined, what will be its vertical component? 80
sin 75.
80 sin 75.
80 sin 75. Very good. What will be its y component? See the direction carefully where it is going. The directions are important here. 80 cos no
Cos.
cos 75.
Cos 75.
Cos 75. Very good. Next one is what? 50. So what will be that component?
50 sin 60.
Sin 60.
50 sin 60. Very good. 50 sin 60. Okay. This is, and it will be going in this way. So that also is important. 50 sin 60.
Cos 60.
Sorry. Cos. It should be cos because x component we are taking. Okay. Most important thing is remained now. Most important thing, reaction, which is not now vertical directly, but how it is inclined one. How to take one? Just see here. Very simple. Once I am going to draw the reaction in this way. So what will it will make angle with horizontal? Who will tell? That 60 degrees angle is given with whom?
Surface.
Degree.
Horizontal. Horizontal.
Surface is making our now that logic we have to apply here. That surface is making angle how much with horizontal? How much
60
with
degree.
horizontal?
60 degree
In
with horizon.
reaction at this, or we can form a right angle triangle itself. What we will do, we will find, we will draw the reaction in this way. आपण काय करू, आपण reaction काढून घेऊ in this way. So what will be reaction will make angle with horizontal. बघा थोडा अप्लाय होतंय कमांड. हा अँगल किती येईल? Here there will be 90 degree angle here. Here there will be 90 degree. This angle
30.
is 60.
30
30 with
horizontal.
30 with horizontal. 30 with horizontal it will come. So if it will make 30 with horizontal, then is it possible to, are you able to understand how this 30 degree angle will come with horizontal? Or
Yes.
in our other words, surface is making 60 degree with horizontal. Then reaction on that surface will make how much degree with vertical? Vertical शी याच्यावरची जी रिएक्शन आहे वर्टिकल किती वर्टिकलला किती अँगल केलेला असेल या आरबी रिएक्शनने?
60.
Vertical
60 degree.
60 only. 60. But here which angle we are taking with horizontal? Angle made by horizontal, angle made with horizontal plus angle made with vertical will be 90 in that way. So it is making 30 degree with horizontal. So now let us, and where it is going, so you can see. So now that also we will resolve. This reaction also we will resolve here. Reaction also we will resolve here. So what will be its y component? It will be vertically upward, y component, or downward?
Upward.
Upward. And what will be that? RB. What will be that?
RBV.
RBV, or we are knowing now angle.
Sin 30.
Sin 30.
Sin 30. And horizontal. So it will be in this way. What will be that? RB.
Cos 30.
Cos 30. Cos 30. Just check now. How many unknowns are there total? How many unknowns are there total now? How many are there? Just check. How many are there?
4.
RB is only one
Three.
unknown. No, irrespective of cos 13,
3.
cos
3.
three only. Three unknowns are there. RB. We should not take. Here there are two unknowns, vertical component and horizontal, but there RB is the only unknown. Okay, don't take it as a two again. Three equations, three unknown. We can solve. We are having three equations of equilibrium, so we can find three equations, three unknowns. So whether it will be, are you able to solve them? I have one meeting, so I have to go. So shall I give as a homework this?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Try to solve it. Try to solve it. If not, we will solve tomorrow morning. And according to me, it is easy. Okay, if you apply first equation, summation fx is equal to 0. So you will get two unknowns. One is RAH and RB. Two unknowns you will get. Then apply summation FY. You will get RAV and RB. Then apply summation of moment at point A. You should apply at point A only. Okay. Then both unknowns will not come in that equation. You will get value of RB. You will get value of RB. Then once you will get value of RB, one time you can put in value of equation of summation Fy, and second time in equation of summation Fx. You will get value of respectively RAV, RAH. Accordingly, you can solve this problem. Okay. So it is not the case that we can't solve this problem. Definitely we can solve. Three equations are with us and three unknowns are there. So definitely we can solve this.
Sir, RB 173.98.
RB?
173.98.
Yes. 173.98. Okay. You can try. Those who have not did, you can also try. We will solve it tomorrow. So I have to go for one of the meeting. So we'll stop for today. Okay. Shall we?
सर मला EM मध्ये 18 मार्क्स पडलेत पण टीचिंग डायरी मध्ये 13 दिलेत.
I will check. Roll number
23 ऋतुजा कवडे. 18 मार्क्स पडलेत पण 13 दिलेत.
Okay, I will check. Don't worry. I will check. There may be some
आरबी रिएक्शन जे आहे ते व्हर्टिकलशी 60 घेऊन तसं रिझॉल्व केलं तर नाही का चालत?
चालेल की, नो इश्यू. व्हर्टिकलशी जर तुम्ही केलं तर काय होईल, मग व्हर्टिकल कंपोनंट काय ना तुमचा
आरबी कॉस येणार.
नो वरी. sin 30 इक्वल टू cos 60 दोन्हीच्या व्हॅल्यू एकच आहेत, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज. sin 30 काय आणि cos 60 काय, वन अँड द सेम. So don't worry, it will not change. Okay. Just wait, I will take attendance. Just wait, I will take attendance. 2, 6, 7, 8, 12 is absent. (26, 27). 12, 26, 27. 38. 38. Okay. 12, 26, 27, 38. 4 are absent. Thank you very much.